Here's a great deal on a 2007 Ford Explorer. It features four-wheel drive capabilities, a durable automatic transmission, and a 4-liter 6-cylinder engine. Comfort and convenience were prioritized within, evidenced by amenities such as an outside temperature display, remote keyless entry, a trailer hitch, and one-touch window functionality. Ford ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, front side impact airbags, traction control, a panic alarm, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Electronic stability control ensures solid grip atop the road surface, no matter how challenging the driving conditions. It also arrives with a Carfax history report, providing you peace of mind with detailed information. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.